Hello everyone, welcome to this video on what's new in Bold Reports 4.1.78. You can read about what's new on the release history page of the Bold Reports website and also in the blog. I have provided the release history and blog links in the video description for your convenience. First, let's see the newly added features in Report Designer. We've included the custom legend text property in the chart series properties to customize the series legend text. Let me explain this property with the sample report I have created. I have added a bar chart and assigned values to it. In the legend section, you will see the legend text as visitors count 1, and there is no space between the two words. From Bold Reports version 4.1.78, you can customize the text entered in the legend section. To do so, select the series to change the legend text in the Choose Series property. For this demo, I select the Visitors Count 1 series. Then, I click the Edit icon near the Choose Series property. Under the Miscellaneous category, I enter Visitors Count as a value in the Legend Text property. You will see the legend text value is changed from Visitors Count 1 to Visitors Count. Click the Back button. We have also provided a tab UI for the data source and data set panels to enhance the user experience in the data panel. In the Data Source tab, the list of data sources that are already created is displayed. And in the Data Set tab, the list of data sets already created is displayed. We have also provided the property to set maximum and minimum values for a chart axis. Let me explain these properties with an example. I have created a line chart report. While previewing the report, you will see the values in the value axis ranging from 0. But as you can see, the line chart values are between 20 to 50. Click the Design button to design the report. Under the Value Axis category, I change the minimum property value to 20 and the maximum property value to 50. Click the Preview button. You will see the value axis values ranging from 20 to 50, and the chart is rendered based on maximum and minimum values. Another new feature is that we have provided multiple value filtering support improvement for the IN operator to separate values based on the current locale culture separator. I have added the table report item and I have assigned values to it. Select the table report item. Under the Data category, I click Set Filters option. The filter dialog will open. Click Add. In the Choose Field drop-down, I select Sales Order Detail ID as the field name. In the Operator drop-down, I select In Operator. And in the Value field I enter 1, 2. Since I have selected the locale as ENUS, I have used comma as a separator. Click OK. And then click the Preview button. In the report preview, you will see only the row with Sales Order Detail ID values 1 and 2 displayed in the table. You can use your own locale and use the separator based on the locale. This multi-value filter is also supported when filtering charts in the data panel. We have also added a server-side API to remove the code related to Code module. The Code module allows users to add references to custom code, embedded in a report or generated with custom assemblies. I have already created the ASP.NET Core application in which I have included the Report Designer control. I have provided the video link on how to add the Report Designer in an ASP.NET Core application in the video's description for your convenience. I open the Report Designer controller.cs file and import the Bold Reports web package in the Report Designer controller. I import the iDesigner settings interface. Then I initialize the initialized settings method. To remove the code related to the code module section, set the disable code module value to false. While running the application, the codes are deleted. The purpose of this API is to stop processing VB code on the server side. We have also provided an option to hide the code property from the Report Designer. To do so, I open the index.cshtml file. In the Bold Report Designer tag, I set the Disable Code Module attribute value to true. Run the application. Click outside the design area. And then open the property panel. Under the code category, you will see that the code property is not displayed. We have also added the server-side API to filter data connectors in the Bold Reports Report Designer. To do so, inside the initialize settings method, set the list of data connector strings for the filter data connectors variable. Run the application. Open the data panel and click the New Data button. You will see only the data connector, which we have added to the filter data connectors variable listed. Another feature that has been added to the Report Designer is the client-side API loads images through XML HTTP request to avoid sending data through URLs. Set the Enable Image Blobbing property to true to load images through XML HTTP request. Bold Reports has provided various security measures to keep the Report Designer safe, such as protection from cross-site scripting attacks, prevention of local file inclusion, which is also known as avoiding path traversal attacks, improved security protocols for read and write APIs, improved authentication access validation for Bold Reports service endpoints, resolution of the file protocol access attack with URL fields in Report Designer file data sources, improved validations on report serialization calls to filter anonymous data. Another important feature is Bold Reports Report Designer, Report Viewer, and Report Writer come with the latest .NET 6.0 framework support for web and desktop platforms. Next, let's see the features that are newly added to both enterprise and cloud reporting. Synchronize Azure AD users and groups on an hourly basis while on schedule synchronization. Bold Reports has exposed APIs to add Azure AD authentication settings. Import Azure AD groups. Enable and generate and embed secret code. Add or update report with favorite and unfavorite info. Get the report with favorite and unfavorite details. Get the schedule items with the next schedule time and last run time. There is also an API where the admin can get the items of other users. Next, let's see the features that are newly added for enterprise reporting. Deploy Report Server in EKS. Elastic Kubernetes Service is a managed container service, which is used to run and scale Kubernetes applications in the cloud or on-premises. Download the exported report from the context menu of Schedule Listing page. Export the report to FTP location. Export the scheduled report name with date format based on date format settings. Delete the groups along with users. Bold Reports has exposed APIs to copy the dataset by mapping with different data sources. Copy the report from one tenant to another with data source, dataset, and subreport mapping details. Let's move on to the new features for embedded reporting. In this release, we are shipping a new Blazor sample browser for our embedded reporting, in which you can design, view, export, and more with RDL reports. We have also hosted the Blazor sample browser in the Bold Reports demos in this URL. In the home page of Blazor sample browser, you will see the report viewer, designer, and report writer similar to the ASP.NET Core sample browser. I have provided the video link, which explains in detail every option in the embedded reporting control panel and sample browser in this video's description. Click Run Local Demo. To open the sample browser locally. If you open the path mentioned in the sample location path while installing, you will see the Blazor folder is created. If you open the Blazor folder, you will see the files that are used to run the Blazor sample browser locally. I open the solution file in Visual Studio 2019 and run the application. You will see the Blazor sample browser launched in the browser. In this video, I have demonstrated many new features included in Bold Reports version 4.1.78. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.